Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. So, in our previous video, we showed you the extensive use of some solver adding, and actually, solver is an advanced version of GoalSeek. GoalSeek is actually dependent on it's a very limited but very useful and simple approach in which you specify one cell uh, in which you are targeting and one cell which you can change and, and getting the focus of the result instead getting your desired result that is your goal by changing one cell into one. So there, for example, you have units sold, for example, uh, X number of euros. Okay, this is an input field. That's why I make it yellow highlight. Okay. The other is also input field, and it is a unit price per unit. It is $3.8, right? And so your revenue is what it is this divided by this unit sold multiplied by unit price, and that gives you the revenue, right? Now, the goal seek, the simplest example is that if you want to ask the goal seek that your goal is say $3,000, you want $3,000, you want to achieve it as a $3,000, right? And how many units shall I sell while keeping this unit price fixed, right? So what would you do? You will go to data and go to the goal seek. Where is goal seek? In the data, you will have the what if analysis, and here lies the goal seek. In the goal seek, you specify these three things. First is the cell. Uh, so that is of course the cell where you have the formula, right? This, and you want this to become 3,000, right? 3,000, and you by changing this, right? Okay, so so it will quickly come up with the result. It will keep on changing this 500 so that while watching the revenue, as soon as it becomes 3,000, it will stop. Okay, so it has bring it. It has from 500, it has become 789 and 789.47. Okay, while keeping this unit price to this and this. So if you accept this, you will. So it does not make any change in the anything in the formula. Only the input cell is changed, right? If you click OK, the cell is accepted. If you don't click OK, the previous values are restored. Okay. Another example, you can say if you see that we want a unit price. For example, we cannot sell more than 500. It is fixed. Okay, so let's make it like this. Okay, and uh, we have the liberty to change the price, right? So so we want to ask the goal seek that what price should we sell to achieve a $3,000 revenue, right? Okay, so we go to the data, we go to the what if analysis, and go to the goal seek. In here, we set the cell the same, right, to the value 3,000, And by changing the price, yeah, so it will keep on changing the price until it reaches your target of 3,000. So you have to sell the uh, at the rate of $6 per unit in order to get to your target's revenue. Right? If you want to kill, if you press escape, you will return back to where you were. Right? So this is the goal seed, simplest example. Thank you very much.